Nursery site selection and analysis. Criteria for a nursery site. Choosing the best nursery site will aid in higher seed nut germination and lower mortality rates. A nursery site with a minimum area of 1 hectare can contain about 30,000 to 50,000 seed nuts. The nursery should have light or loose textured soil. Sandy or sandy loamy is recommended. The area should be open, leveled, well-drained, and not prone to flooding. Good source of water for irrigation. Evaluate the availability of the water system. Accessible to transportation and road network. The nursery should be fenced for security purposes and to keep out farm and other animals. A small shed or storage area to store farm equipment and supplies. Far from potential sources of insect pests and diseases. Provide shade, especially during extremely hot seasons. Before sowing the seed nuts in the nursery area, it is critical to season them. This phase is also a good time to sort out planting materials by their color, size, and age to look into the germination and development and eliminate any bad quality seed nuts. Seasoning the seed nuts. Seasoning prevents drying up of seed nuts and enhances germination. Remove the perianth lobe to help ease absorption of water and facilitate growth of the embryo. For 24 hours, soak the seed nuts in a container filled with water. In the absence of a container filled with water, place the nuts under continuous flowing water. Place the seed nuts under shade. Position the large-sized seed nuts in an upright position and small nuts in a tilted or sideways position. Let the seed nuts dry off.